It's no secret that Tucson is a great place to live. With its sunny climate, it's no wonder that many people are turning to solar power for their energy needs. Getting solar power for your home in Tucson makes perfect sense because you can use the sun's energy to generate electricity. This can save you money on your energy bills and help the environment. And with a variety of financing options, such as leasing, you can start using solar energy without having to make a huge investment up front. Plus, with the help of government incentives, you can get even more money back on your investment. So if you're looking for a way to save money and help the environment, solar power is the way to go in Tucson. Sunstate Power and Solar Solutions is here to answer any questions you may have, so don't hesitate to give us a call at 520-240-9431. Or visit us at www.sunstatepowerandsolar.com.